Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I have a new subscription box to share with you. This is called the Butterfly Box, and it is a Christian subscription box that comes packed full of all kinds of different things. You receive it monthly when you sign up, and it is all to help encourage you and to just give you some tools as you kind of walk that faith journey. Butterfly Box reached out and asked if I would be interested in reviewing the box, and so they sent me one, and I'm excited to share it with you. They also sent me a code that is SCRAPPYBOGO, and if you use that code, then when you order a box, you will get a free surprise box as well. So it's like getting a bonus box when you order, which is super cool. So I thought I would share with you. This box, I'll leave all the links and everything down below so you can check out that info. Otherwise, let's go. Okay, so there are some different subscription plans for this box, depending on how long you sign up for. If you do it at the monthly cost, it is $36.99 plus shipping. If you do every 3 months, meaning you pay for 3 months at a time, it's a little less. 6 months, a little less than that. And if you pay for a whole year, it's less than that. So just depends on what you sign up for, but let's open it. All right, let's open it and see what we got. So it comes with this card that explains what is in your box. So it looks like it probably kind of follows a theme and explains each of the different things that are in your box and how it relates and what its purpose is, which is really cool. So the first thing that is in here is this adorable little sign. Says, in a world where you can be anything, be like Jesus. It has all the spring feels with the florals, super cute. Looks like you could just hang it, by your bed, hang it on your mirror in the morning, just like little reminders. I love having signs like this just around my office as well, because I think they're beautiful. Something else to remember, when you have a subscription box like this, I think it's fabulous for gift giving in a couple different ways. First of all, you could give the gift of a subscription to someone else, and that would be fantastic. Second of all, you get little tidbits like this. Maybe you don't need the sign, but maybe you could gift it to someone else and really brighten their day. So just keep that in mind. You can always break apart a box and have several little gifts that you can pass out at church, around your neighborhood, things like that. All right, let's dip in a little bit more. This is Best Friend of Tired Feet and Sore Muscles Peppermint Cream. Peppermint foot cream. Let me smell. You guys, it smells delicious. Let's see what they say about the peppermint foot cream. This peppermint foot cream is perfect for worn out, tired feet and is made with pure essential oils of peppermint and eucalyptus. And it was created by a woman-owned Christian business that specializes in all natural. Oh, so that's wonderful. They like promote other small businesses. I think that's fabulous. Here we have Christian culture, the game of Christian conversations. So in here you have 103 questions, icebreakers, hot topics, interpretations, and stories. 13 plus 2 players. That's interesting. This I feel like would be fabulous for a Bible study group, maybe some icebreakers to get started, maybe in a journaling group that you're a part of. How fun. Maybe if you are someone on Instagram like I am, some of these cards will give you some ideas for some content starters or ways to build community. That is so cool. Let me just open it. I just want to kind of see what they are. Yeah, so they're color coded. So these are the icebreakers. For instance, which Bible translation do you use and why? Let's try another icebreaker. What skill or talent do you have that can be used to serve the body of Christ? So all Christian-based icebreakers, great for your study groups. I think that is really fabulous and really handy. So maybe if you're a group leader, maybe you lead teenagers, something like that. That could be really handy. Then we have this pen. Let me just double check the pen. God is Still Writing Your Story, pen with stylus and gift box. How pretty is this? So again, a gift. Look at that yellow. Are you kidding me? Look how cute that is. Love, 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 love this. Look at that. God is still writing your story. Quit trying to steal the pen. That is fabulous. Look at that. It's beautiful. That's a gorgeous yellow. I love the writing on it, and you get that beautiful gift box as well. That's super cute. That's awesome. All the yellow confetti. It looks like we have Made for More. So I think almost every month they include a book of some sort, which is awesome. Just some different kind of devotionals. This one is called Made for More, An Invitation to Live in God's Image by Hannah Anderson. So you can read about it on the back. And again, something that you could read and pass on and share with those around you. And then here, making sure I got it all. Free Reign International. Oh, this is just an extra, we will donate. Oh, so they donate a portion of the profits. So I'm getting used to this box. So for this month's ministry sponsorship, we will donate a portion of our proceeds to Sheer Love International. So that's super cool. So not only are you getting the box, but you are supporting an additional ministry, which is super cool. So this is what's included in this month's box. I think it is fun. I think it's a new take on like a subscription box because you get a little bit of everything, like some self-care, some pampering, my stationery loving friends like myself, loving the pen. This is like decor, books, which is just perfect to like dive into some different authors, maybe be exposed to some books that you wouldn't normally be exposed to. You're getting to contribute to different ministries and you're learning about different ministries. Like this one is awesome. So I can learn more about it. I can find more info on it. I think that is a super cool idea that they donate a portion of the proceeds every month to a different ministry. All right, so again, this is the Butterfly box. It's a whole subscription box company. You can check them out. You can sign up for the monthly box. I know they also have some past boxes on sale. They also have some other individual items in their store that you can check out. So make sure to check the link in the description box below. If you are thinking of signing up for a subscription, you can check out my code, which is SCRAPPYBOGO, and that'll give you an extra little surprise box. It's like a buy one, get one free kind of deal, which is always perfect. And then you'll have a whole array of things to either start this journey to kind of build up some of the faith products you have, or to give as gifts to those around you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Let me know below what you think of the contents of this box. I think I am most excited. There's two things. I think I'm really pumped about this book. I'm looking forward to reading it. And then you guys, I wish you had smell-o-vision so that you could smell this peppermint foot cream, because I'm also very excited about that. All right. All of the links, all of the info, everything is down in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Otherwise, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.